Good morning and happy Monday. I hope you had a good weekend. Hope you're ready for a nice short week here. We've got 4 days this week, Monday through Thursday, off Friday, off again next Monday. So 2 4-day weeks in a row. And we get into next week, we're into May. So we can do this, folks. You're doing good. So thanks for the efforts that you're making. This week will be a pretty normal week. It's section 8.3. We did 8.2 last week. 8.3 details. Well, that's really just the chapter 8 document that you've been looking at. Up at the top, you know, all the information, the links, and so on. There was 8.1, there was 8.2. Here's 8.3. Here's a little note right at the top. This is for only the people that have a TI-83. There's this thing that we're going to be doing in this section called inverse T, and TI-83s don't have it. Here's a link. You can either click here, this program, or this PDF. It's the code that you will need to enter into your calculator to give yourself the inverse T function. And it's pretty easy. If you click on this, it tells you the code. At the bottom of that link, there's also a YouTube video that explains it, but that's only if you have a TI-83. So for 8.3, you can read the book. You can look at Mr. G's videos, Monday, Tuesday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Wednesday, Thursday. That's just to kind of keep you on track and not get too far behind for the week. I have finished my voiceover thing for the first one. Special note here. In the final example, I'm showing you how to do it on my calculator. There's this thing called degrees of freedom, which makes no sense to you right now, which is just fine. But I will tell you that when I did it on the calculator, I entered 15. It should be 14. So if you go, wait a second, I thought the degrees of freedom here should be 14. You're right. I did it wrong on my calculator. Didn't want to remake the whole video, so just be aware of that. Monday, Tuesday, these will be linked here shortly. Here are the Khan Academy videos that go along with the topics in section 8.3. You can watch those if you want to. Here are the assignments for this week. 69 and 70 are kind of optional-ish. They go along with the final video, but we'll talk more about that this week. Here's a breakdown that you might want to do. I think if you do the videos in this order, these would be the exercises that you presumably would be able to do if you've done those videos. So that's up to you. Use whatever pacing you want. Here's why you might want to stay caught up this week. Monday, today, Tuesday, there will be a Zoom meeting at 9:30. Wednesday, normal day. There will be a Zoom meeting at 9:30. Thursday, normal-ish day. There will be a Zoom meeting at 9:30. On Thursday, you will get the assessment information for the 8.3 assessment, the 8.3 ECBN, whatever you want to call it. These Zoom meetings are going to happen at 9:30 each day. This assessment information won't go live until after this Zoom meeting. The assessment is actually due Monday night at midnight because there's no school Monday. But that doesn't mean I'm giving you a test that you have to do over the weekend. If you stay caught up, you do this right after this Zoom meeting, and you're done before lunchtime on Thursday, at least with math. And then you have a long weekend. If you would rather not do that, that's okay. It's really not due until Monday night at midnight. It's your choice if you have an assignment over the weekend or not. Stay caught up and avoid that, or do it over the weekend. I don't really care. But again, it's not going to go live until after this Zoom meeting. So people can ask questions, but not after the assessment questions are out there. So that's that. I think that's all, with this exception. I need to leave you with this deep thought by Jack Handey. What is it that makes a complete stranger dive into an icy river to save a solid gold baby? Maybe we'll never know. Thanks for today, and wear your seatbelts.